everybody, welcome to another daily vlog. I should really say good evening because it is the evening. I won't lie, I've had a good cry today. The past few days have not been the greatest. I'll just let everybody know I am completely fine and everything is okay. The other day I posted a picture on Instagram and it was a picture of me in the ring, sitting in my corner with my coach Ian trying to get me back into the zone and realised just enjoy yourself is the best thing ever. And I was like, my coaches gave me that photo. They handed it to me at the right time. Basically, I've had a bit of I'm hitting a huge wall when it comes to my fitness. Now, there is nothing wrong with the fitness level and everything like that. I enjoy what I do. However, since my last Fit For Me sort of video that I did, I've been in a maintenance. So I've been in a form of maintenance, and I'm not gaining and I'm not losing anything, and I've been in such a limbo state. And yes, I have done the most amazing, incredible things that I have done in regards to my fitness, and my mental attitude has changed so much. I mean, I got myself in a boxing fight. I mean, I didn't even think that I was going to do that, and I'm going to do the half marathon as well, and I'm lifting heavy weights, and this is the most incredible thing. And you know, yes, I have become a lot more fitter and I'm a lot more stronger and I'm a lot more fitter, and that is amazing. However, I know we should never really think about our image. We should look at ourselves as, are we healthy, happy, and are we being our true self? But since that last video, I've not seen any changes other than 2 centimeters off my hips, and it's been the most frustrating thing. And even though I've been keeping a positive front on, just remember that you're doing really well, you know, keeping myself focused and keeping myself active and everything. You can't really see anything on the outside. And I know we shouldn't really look at the outside, it's what's inside that counts, but with all the hard work that you do, you should start seeing some physical changes, and there's nothing right now. And it just kind of hit me, and I really needed to seek more advice. Sat down with one of my coaches and we had like a 2.5 hour chat today. I was literally blubbering my eyes out, and you know, and how I've been feeling and stuff, and she's been reassuring me and understanding where I'm coming from. There's one thing that I've got to say that I'm proud of myself is, I know there's something wrong. I know I'm not happy. What is the safest way for me to move forward and to improve? Because there is no way I'm stopping. Because if I stop, I don't want to be in that hole that I was in a few years back. So yeah, I'm kind of stuck in this sort of rut where it's like, I'm exhausted. Where I've worked my butt off to do so many things, and I've just really beaten myself down over it. I have tried everything. I have tried the Weight Watchers, I've tried Slimming World countless times. I've tried low-fat diets, I've tried low-carb diets, I've tried all sorts of stuff, slim fast things, shake diets. You know, nothing ever worked, and fitness was the only thing that has worked, and it has worked because my depression is low. Like, I've hardly got any depression anymore. My anxiety's a lot more controlled, and I feel a lot more fitter, stronger, and a lot more confident. However, it doesn't look like it's falling off me. So yeah, I had a long chat with my coach. They were super kind, super supportive, and they want to help as much as possible. So we're going to be experimenting quite a lot of things to try and see some form of change. So yeah, we've been talking about how we're going to change some things up, talking about more about my nutrition, because you know, I have mentioned it, like my nutrition has been a little bit pants. Not necessarily overeating, because I'm not gaining anything. I've not gained any weight, no measurements have got bigger or anything like that. I've just kind of been under eating and eating at stupid times. So I would like skip breakfast and then skip lunch, and then I'll be off to work, and then I won't eat until late in the night sort of sense. So those kind of like unsociable eating sort of times. That sort of way of eating is not very good, and I need to get back into regular eating and get myself back into a rhythm again, which I'm kind of looking forward to tomorrow's video. I think it's tomorrow's video that it is going to be sponsored, so I hope you guys don't mind about that. But I tell you, it is a company that I have used before, and I have had their products, I've eaten their products. We are very excited to be working alongside them, and if it could help any of you guys who are in a very similar situation as me right now, you know, I hope it will be beneficial. But yeah, I hope you really don't mind about that. Very excited because it will start off a nutrition plan for me, which I'm a little bit excited for, and I really hope that I get back into the rhythm of everything. So yeah, there we go. I just thought I'd just give you a rundown of the Fit For Me sort of situation. And I will say, after the half marathon, I'm not going to do any more sort of fun runs or any sort of challenges or anything like that. I am literally going to be looking after myself, and I'm just going to go back into the gym, and I'm just gonna take it easy. I've gone through a lot this year, and I'm super proud about it, but I'm a little bit exhausted from it all. So yeah, everything's fine, everything's all hunky-dory. It's just one of those things that you go through, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will relate to. And I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody who has supported me through the whole of this sort of fitness journey. And thank you so much for your kind comments on that that Instagram picture as well. I also forgot to mention as well that a few years back I did actually record it, where I think it was one of my weekly vlogs, the old Fit for Florida vlogs. I actually went to the doctors to try and give myself a full body sort of MOT to see if there was any underlying issues or anything like that. You know, stuff like, you know, high cholesterols, whether or not my sugar levels are okay, whether or not I'm pre-diabetic or anything like that, and everything came back completely normal and completely fine, apart from two things, which was an undirected thyroid and a B12 deficiency. I had to have more tests on these two to make sure that there wasn't any other serious conditions that were happening, but what seemed to be happening was my B12 was so low it was bringing my thyroid down. So my thyroid wasn't low enough to treat, but it was basically being masked by the B12 deficiency. I eat a lot of stuff that has B12, but unfortunately it's just one of those little fun things. We don't know what's going on. That can definitely explain why the hair is thinning. I'm very fatigued. I sometimes forget a lot of things, and it can be a cause of depression as well. So I completely forgot to mention about that, so I'm just going to pop it in here just in case you are brand new and you don't know the situations of what's going on. So anyhow, that's all the chatting for the old Fit For Me. Let's see how it goes, and yeah, let's carry on with the day. I've started with a cold and it's not great. No. So as you're all aware that we have stopped our PO box. Our PO box actually closed on the 22nd of August. We went down there on the 22nd to see if there was anything, and there is. There's like a huge box. Like a huge box. I don't know where this is from, so huge. I thought we'd do a little bit of an unboxing, because this vlog is a little bit like a chatty, rambling vlog, and also opening your mail.
Yes, so thank you very much to all the people who sent the remaining things over.
Yeah.
We got a couple of postcards as well.
Oh, I got Disneyland Paris one.
Yeah, Disneyland Paris one, which is really, really cool.
There you go, lovely Disneyland Paris. It says, hey guys, as you can see, we are in Paris. We thought we would pop you a card to thank you for all the videos of Disneyland Paris. It's really helped with the planning and getting us excited for our trip. Oh, awesome! Flip's favourite ride has been Tarot Terror, while mine, Kira, I hope I said that right, or Kiara, I really hope I pronounced that right, has been Big Thunder Mountain. Soon we are getting home and we'll be planning our next trip back home.
Very cool.
Loved meeting you in Brighton. Hope to go to another meetup down south again soon. With lots of Disney love, Philip and Kira. Thank you so much, guys, for the postcard, and we are super happy that you've enjoyed your Disneyland Paris trip, and we're super grateful that you've been watching our videos. Thank you so much.
It's cool. I like the fact they got there's a couple of Mickey stamps in there.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cute. So thank you very much for the postcard.
Thank you, and it was amazing meeting you too.
Yes, it was. It was a good day, that Brighton trip. So we've got another one, which is quite a very beautiful, like a lovely card there, and it just says, "Thanks very much, Pahayas Festival Philippines, aka Fruit and Veggies Harvest Festival, by Manuel Baltimore." So it doesn't say anything else. So I don't know. I thought this was a card at first when it came. But no, it literally just says,
thank you so much. That looks so nice.
It's such a beautiful card.
Such a beautiful picture. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very, very much.
The big package.
The big package.
Do we have anything to cut it open?
Nope. It's okay. I shall use my sheer force.
Rah. There's a letter.
There's a letter.
That says, Bibbidi Bobbidi Candle, Pixie Dust Inside. This is from the Etsy store, Bibbidi Bobbidi Candle. Steph and Dave, we are admirers to your channel and I have followed you for a while. Your videos have been an inspiration for us to visit Walt Disney World, and we have become addicts now. Oh, awesome.
Oh,
Thank you so much. I've included some gifts for you and Dave, some homemade Disney-inspired scented candles, which I sell on my Etsy store, and a unique, one-of-a-kind, custom-made Be Our Guest cake stand, especially for Dave to display some of his culinary creations.
Thank you very much.
Oh my life, thank you so much. It's very important to us that all of our candles are cruelty-free, which means they are not tested on animals and they are vegan. We picked a selection of scents that we thought that you might like. I hope these remind you of your time at Disney. Keep up with the good work, we really appreciate and always look forward to your future vlogs. Oh, thank you so much, and that is from Jasmine and Chris from Newcastle.
Thank you, Jasmine and Chris.
Thank you so much. So the Etsy is Bibbidi Bobbidi Candle. So there we go. That's who they are. It's Bibbidi Bobbidi Candle. There we go. Let's have a little look.
Right.
Thank you so much, guys. Like, you really didn't need to do that, but let's see what we've got. I'm very excited. Ah, there we go. Ooh. Oh, amazing!
Oh, that's awesome.
And it comes with a little stand with it.
Yeah, it's inside, yeah. I'm just trying to find it. Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Be Our Guest, and it's in black, so then you just kind of put them together like that.
We've seen these plates before and they are beautiful.
They're so nice.
For you to turn it into a cake stand is gorgeous. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for the gift. That's so kind of you. I really do appreciate it.
I'm sure there will be some delicious treats being put on that soon.
Oh yeah.
I love this tissue paper. Wow. Okay, so the first one we have got is Bibbidi Bobbidi Candles, The Twilight Zone. Ooh.
That's very nice.
Oh, that smells good.
Oh, that does smell like the Twilight Zone. So I've got Bibbidi Bobbidi Candle, Yo Ho, Yo Ho, A Pirate's Life for Me. Yo Ho, Yo Ho, A Pirate's Life for Me. Ooh.
Oh, I can smell it from here. Oh wow.
That's
It's like
that's a strong smell.
It's like a sea salt sort of. Oh, what's the scent to that? That is a very. Oh gosh.
Can't put your finger on it.
But it smells like very fresh, very sort of like a sea salt, sort of beachy smell. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, the next one. This is gonna be perfect for Halloween. Here we go. Boo to you.
Boo to you.
It smells like candy corn.
Oh yeah.
It smells like candy corn, literally.
So good.
I literally smelled it and went, candy corn. Oh, that smells delightful. Oh my gosh.
And the last one we've got is Bibbidi Bobbidi Pineapple Whippy.
Ooh.
Whippy. Yeah, it's pineapple.
Dole Whip.
Dole Whip.
Oh my gosh, that smells so amazing. Thank you so much. These are really big candles as well.
Yeah, 8 ounces, yeah. Which is really good. That's a really good size.
And they're made with soya.
They are.
Which I've noticed that soya candles smell better.
Yeah.
Because we've got a few soya candles at home and they actually do smell really good. And they're in these little jars as well, so we can reuse the jars.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. That's so kind of you.
That is really kind of you. If anybody wants to check out these candles, yeah, check out Bibbidi Bobbidi Candle.
We'll leave a link in the
Yeah, thank you so much. So that is all of the gifts. We do have one that's
on transit.
In transit, which we are tracking at this moment in time. So when it does arrive, we will open it up.
Yes.
But yeah, it's been absolutely amazing having a PO box. I'm really sorry that we've had to close it. It's because we've had some issues with in regards to the post office. We're not going to go into full details, but basically since the post office became privatised, a lot of things have become a little bit difficult to actually send items over to a post office, you know, to a post box. That's one of the reasons why that we had to close it, and so we are trying to find another address or somewhere that will accept all parcels from everywhere.
A lot of couriers don't send to PO boxes, we found out as well, so it's just there's a bit of an issue with there. So yeah, like we said, we'll find another alternative address and then we'll get that sent out to you as soon as we can. But
like we say, thank you so much to everybody who has taken the time to send us letters, postcards, even Christmas cards, and even gifts as well. I mean, you really didn't need to send us anything, but thank you so much.
Super grateful.
And we've loved helping out smaller businesses, you know, with Etsy as well. So that's really been a joy for us to send some custom over to you guys as well. Yeah. There we go. I think we are going to wrap it up for tonight. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I know it's been a little bit of a rambling one, a bit of fit for me rambling sort of thing, but I think it's really important to share the downs when you're in your fitness sort of journey and stuff. It's really nice to know that you're not alone in a situation and things can only get better. So
yes, it will. Yes, they will. Always. Yeah. We've got to look after this one because she's not feeling too well.
I've literally started with a drippy nose. And I'm like, why? Why have I got the cold?
Cup of tea.
Oh yes.
Cup of tea for Steffi. But yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Yeah. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. Also to hit the subscribe button so you get to see more of our content regularly, and you can check out any of the other videos from like our Walt Disney vlogs. To Tokyo vlogs that we did this year. So many more videos coming up on the channel, and if you want to as well be notified of future videos, there is a bell icon just next to the red button. Click on that and then you'll be notified when we do more videos, which of course will be tomorrow because we're still doing Vlogust, so there's lots more videos to come out soon, and we shall see you tomorrow, guys.
Bye guys.
Bye.